And we have to see the family matter also when we have to earn. Suppose after passing class 10 also some family member needed, income source may be needed. For that particular level student they can go for ITI courses. Someone may be low and no family income problem is not there. They can go for higher study. Depending upon that, if you look after that particular matter, and it will be good. On the basis of that way we have to implement the vocational courses. Otherwise, it's not like that imposing all the students who have to go to vocational courses. It's not like that, I think. Someone may be not interested. We need all background people. And it's not like that all people has to work only own state. They have to contribute to the nation also, no? National level also they have to work. It's not like that student from Assam only, they will work here only. It's not like that, no? They have to give contribution to the research field also, they have to give defense service also, they have to give contribution to the civil servant also. That means all category contributions should be for national level also. It's not like that I am from Assam, I have to do work for only Assam only. It's not like that. You have to contribute to the national level, as an international level also you have to contribute. Doing research on particular things also you get our contribution from the national level from India or as a citizen of Assam also. It's like that. It's not like that we have to concentrate on a particular place or particular state or particular country. As a whole we have to contribute to the international level also. In any particular field, whether it's sociology background or computer science background or physics background or chemistry background, mathematics background. That means from the all field we have to contribute national level, international level, state level. Depending upon our own capacity and capability. If I have the capacity, capability, what contribution I can give to the society at national level, international level, yet I think that way we have to work. It's not like that only our own benefit, not like that. We have to give the society also from our side. This is my opinion, sir. I don't know actually from my side. Any more?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, my name is Milan Sharma. So my question is that as a youth of Northeast, particularly in Assam, so what are the particular area or what are the particular objectives that we should do or we should focus for establishment or for getting job easily? Mention some areas or mention some objectives that we should do for establishment in Assam and for getting job easily.
Nothing you can get easily.
Those are some.
Nothing is, you have to work hard to get the good result. There is no substitute of hard work.
Sorry for interruption, just to add to this question, sir. I believe you are aware of the Assam Education Minister's recent statement that how you can get job very easily if you pursue art or science.
Wait. Actually, see, you don't believe on the media what the quotation is there. Where the background thing is there. Only one sentence in media, only TRP, they are using that kind of things. Actually, in science and commerce, very less percentage of students is taking admission. A lot of seats are vacant. They are converting all the high school to high secondary, science, commerce. Then they will giving the appointment visa, but without student they are getting the money. Some student, you are getting my point? There is a logic behind this actually. Media is not focusing there. They are focusing only there. If you go for arts thing, then you will not get job. There is a lot of things actually discussing. You are getting my point? Media people what they do? They only for TRP purpose. They only one word or two words. Their background work they do not. If you are getting my point? Let's all because according to new education policy 9, 10, 11, 12, all the high school is converted to the high secondary level and allowing to opening science because from college level high secondary is removing 11, 12. You getting my point? That's why lot of seats are available now in the all the high secondary. On that sense, he is informing that you take, but his way of speaking was not good actually. That's why people are very in social media. A lot of things are going on there only by arts in there because that's why we are not constructive discussion is going on anywhere. All these viral things are going on, only destructive things. And this discussion is going on, this is not come to the newspaper or magazine or TV talk shows news. Again my point, if something happening unwanted things, then all media people come here running. The bulletin boy has seen something, then they will come. If suppose WhatsApp you are messaging something, the bulletin boy has seen something, in the email ID is my sweetheart, this kind of things is saying, well, then the media will come, then on correct DC. Budget Bagai career counseling on this program, he says only this kind of thing. Then other part they will not, they will highlight in the news portal mainly. There are a lot of news portals, not thousands of news portals is there, and only they will throw their arrow mark, they will say that Budget Bagai discuss this way, career counseling that way. Second one, and coming to your point, see, nothing is you get so easily. First thing is that in the name of career counseling, every college has a one cell. In the name of career counseling, because due to the NAM, the marks is there. They have to conduct seminar, awareness program, career counseling cell has to be activated. But 99% institute only in the for the name cell is career counseling and development cell is there. First thing is that particular institute has to be activated that career counseling cell. Because see, lot of that means not only Assam government TET, no? CTET, Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kendriya Vidyalaya, thousands of jobs every year is getted. That means only Assam government TET for the people of Assam. But CTET, Navodaya Vidyalaya, CBC can lot of students they are not, they don't actually. That's why for this career information cell you have to be activated. And in this career information cell, all information you have to pass out. Okay, my point? And time to time. And due to COVID, it is very easy now. All are in the online mode, they actually accessible all these things. For the online platform also, at least once in a week, 1 hour, something like that, they can discuss this kind of things. From the home itself, student can, all the students, that kind of thing, that updated information that okay, UPSC civil service advertisement is coming out for prelims. Staff selection commission, merit level examination notice is coming out. Then provisional website, IPS has opened the advertisement. So that all the students coming to the information as a one time. Very my point. And time to time respective question papers, old question papers or sample question papers, discussion can be take place time to time, because in all the competitive exam, one question paper is there, general knowledge or general studies. We know all the competitive exam normally, and general knowledge can be divided two categories. One you can say traditional general knowledge. Class 1 to class 10. Everyone has to know what is it. Whether you for arts, science, background, no matter. Up to 10 level mathematics, all have to know. Up to 10 level mathematics, science, you have to know. Basic computer knowledge, everyone has to know. Basic environmental science, all has to know. Up to 10 level. It is traditional general knowledge. It is not like that one night study from class 1 to 10. Time to time you have to make a revision, main class textbooks. Because in a guidebook from a bookstall, it's not possible to cover from class 1 to 10 all the things. Because class 1 to 10, traditional general knowledge, everyone has to be updated. And current affairs. Current affairs also not like that. Competitive exam is 3 days or 4 days ago, we are just buying a textbook from the bookstall. Current affairs is not like that, no? Current affairs we have to gather day by day, national level, international level, state level. For that, one newspaper we have to read regularly. That means information has to go to the every student. That one newspaper is not only the front page political news, last page is sports news. Depending upon the competitive exam, from sports also 10 to 15 marks comes. In the inside, business page, science page, cultural page. Not only name of Rima Das, for which film Rima Das won award, Hima Das love number 1, which category, what competition they got the award. You have to note down all these things. In the inside pages, editorial page, letter to editor, article, editorial. Most of the competitive exam, UPSC, civil service exam,